Welcome to another episode on my driving robot Discovery based on the fischertechnik TXT controller running embedded Linux, and in this case also the community firmware and OpenCV. Last time I finally made some things work, in the sense that I got a nice image and then it ended. Why did it end? Because for some weird reason these images are okay and these images are not, and that seems to be because the original image isn't correct. So in order to test that again and check whatever I can do about it, I removed the old ones, so now it's only this, which reminds me that I have to open another window, and yep, I have to remove this as well. These are seemingly correct ones. So now this is done, let's find out. So from the beginning I grab a picture, then using write byte, I write a byte array from the picture, and the picture is a matrix of numbers. I store it using the file name, and then I copy the file name or the file with the file name. Then I read the stored file into an image, and then I go on with it. The question is, by the way, should I actually read it? Because I have it in picture, and it's a very good one. What do I do with that? Can I use the image without reading it? I am not quite sure, to be honest. Here I do read it with byte array. And let's just test something. Always nice to test things. On the other hand, if I don't do that, what consequence will it have? If I don't save it like with file name. Write file name. Yeah, I have to do that, I'm afraid. Anyway, let's run it. Time is precious. So let's run it and then see whatever happens. Well, camera connected. Great. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Okay, now it will work. Somehow I have to be reminded for it. So let's do it again. Oh, the SSH failed. Yeah. That crap again. Connection to TXT aborted. Why? Why does that happen anyway? Alright, now here this is nicely seen. Read image. Error. In CVT color. Now what has happened here? Oh, that's not good. 2 0 bytes TXT images. Yeah, right. Everything works except when you do not attach a camera. Blooper number 1. So anything else is okay. I just have to attach the camera. Camera attached now, so let's run it. Things seem to go well. Seem to go well. This is taking a long time. I have no clue why. Okay, abort. Another run. Yes, that's a picture. So, this I don't want to see. So let's first, well, this is going nowhere, and this is something. So, this is the last one, I think. Well, it should be, because this is the only one that has some bytes. So using image magic once again. 14 to 26 and 2. Yeah, go. Well, that's a nice image. However, I got a large number of this, which is to be expected, because this is the image that has been taken, and this is this, just to be sure. So let's go down, 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 down. Right. File name. File name set. This is the saved, the copied file. Read image. This is image right here. Print image. Then gray image. Gray image. So gray image and then print gray image. Then we are here. And this means that CVT color is being done. CVT color is right before this, which means that we have now in gray image indeed black and white image. And what happens next? Something, something, something. It writes. Well, we've seen that. Then again, image none. Which means that the second time no image is taken, because pick is none. Ah, okay. So we're back to square one. Let's do again. Remains the question, of course, why wasn't the pick taken the second time? Because I got none. So, no, this one. Well, yeah, this is nice, but not really useful now. Aborted? Come on. Yeah, go. Picture one taken. Yes, gray. Now I'm copying the gray image to the... now the second picture is taken. Copying the second one. Yes, copying the second gray one. Picture 3. Yes, please, and this is copying the third gray image, and then it says Cox. Why? Let me first look at this. All gray images show the same. These images don't. So what happens here? And of course I only have to bother about these images. So let's one again display. TXT. Let's say gray 14 31 48. Alright? Yep, there's nothing in there. Start with bad array, bad information. Why? So I'm going to with text image, also the last one, 14 31 48, or I will do 35. First 35, and then I will go for 48. 31 48. See, here it starts writing, and here it has bumped into the crane with the probes which detect these signals on the oscilloscope. So these are good images in itself. So a very big question is, how do I save a gray image? excellent question. Is an image actually being saved the same way? I think that's a very good question, because if that is not being done, I'm doing the wrong thing. Let's focus on that for a moment, because now I know it is working more than once, except that I'm being bugged with this. And last time I also got a message here somewhere that the image from the very first time was even a bad image, but I haven't seen that one yet. So let's first find out, how do I save, how do I treat, how do I save an image in black and white. Right, I'm taking another test. We're trying something else that's entirely different. What I do is here I create the binary image. So I decide to make two writing calls. First, I use cv2.image write the gray image, which I take here, and I write it to disk gray image JPG, and here I write this one, which is the failing so far, and right next to it I write the gray image. And now I see that I make a little mistake, because here I have to say image JPG, and actually I not actually sure that that is right. Because this is a variable and I need the real thing. But let's see how this ends. If I get an error, I know I have to quote it. Anyway, remove all the TXTs again. Here as well, by the way. Alright, empty. Move the robot back into position. No matter the angle. And run. See whatever happens. Yeah, that's not going well. There was no image being taken. None at all. Report it. Oh my. Connected. Yes, that's a lot better. Password. Image, gray image. Yes, password. Gray image being done. Yeah, right. Alright, this means clearly that I have to quote it. I could have known, but anyway, this is better. So let's see how the TXTs are being copied. Yeah, still not good. Anyway, remove them. Remove them here as well. Try again. Why does it abort? Come on. Right, yeah. It already bumped into the crane. It keeps running. Yeah, now the other one is being copied. Big sound. Yeah. Second one, this will, and this one will not. This one will overwrite the first blue black image. Alright. And I think that will be enough. Yeah, whatever, thank you. So now I have a few images, and I should have gray image as well. Do I have a gray image? Yeah, I do. So, display gray image, and let's put an ampersand. This is what I'm talking about. This is really a great image. So, this is exactly what I want to have. So if I go here and I ask for 51 JPG, see, and this is what I'm talking about. So the image being taken is correct. Nothing wrong with nothing wrong with this. Something goes wrong right here, because this is being done great. Oh yeah, no doubt. Well, this is exactly what I'm talking about. This is making it gray. Not what I want, but this is proving that OpenCV actually does work on here. So this is the first proof. This is the first thing I actually do with OpenCV, graying an image. So all the errors that I got, I have no clue what they're caused by, but another thing is, why is this or this going wrong? It makes absolutely no sense to me. I just know that here I am writing this very same image to this file name, and I am connecting this gray image to byte array, and then I call this file name gray copy it here. And from TXT image gray goes very long, and the other one goes great. So why does it happen anyway? TXT gray, why does it go wrong? That said, I want to single out red, because when I am taking images and I want to correct it, I want to drive towards the red object, I need to single out, and that is the next step, not per se making something gray. And that process can be done with water shedding and other things, and that will be next after I find out why this is. Anyway, I am very happy that I got things to work proving this. What next? Well, singling out red. So yeah, let me do that. See if I can get that to work. It should be. And then I might do a very end floor test, but that's exceeding time of 30 minutes, so I will hurry with this one. If I get here an error, I just go to the floor test and do some writing. Aborted. Okay. One last time, because I want to see if this errors out or not. It doesn't even take an image. Yeah, I accidentally pressed C. Not connected. Alright, let me clean up first. As well as gray image. Oh wait, it's EJ, okay. Yes. And yep, remove. Alright, so now these images can be removed. Alright, final time, attempt. And timer rolling on. Camera connect, very good. Okay, this is going out of bounds. I have to find it out. So, very next thing, floor test. Okay, short final part for this episode, floor test. Once again, I won't be able to see the pictures that it takes from the two objects, but just to test that it not connected to the oscilloscope, just drives as it should. So let's go, and it will copy everything but to a different laptop if correct. Once again, it takes time to connect, and it says camera is not connected, so I have to abort and try again. Once again, I have no clue why that is. Oh, that's a very short one. Connection to TXT aborted. One more time. Ouch! This is so not what I want. It takes pictures, but this is so wrong. Yeah, right. So I will just turn it around. Let me block it. Yeah, right, and it just pushes the battery pack away. So it drives slowly, and now it should notice something. Really, it just continues. Alright. I kind of ended it by hand, and this is a floor test that I don't want to have. That it doesn't respond to touch sensor, that it doesn't respond to sonar, whichever. It just goes on and on. So maybe I need to review the code. Now I have put OpenCV in it. Who knows? Anyway, better failed floor test than no floor test or test on the floor, whatever. Thank you for watching. This is the latest situation. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. If you you can also follow me on Twitter, retweet and like, follow me on Instagram and like, leave a comment. Please donate to keep videos coming to you. More information at the start of this video and on my website, and this is going to be continued. Bye bye.